Yes, I am 42. But toy collecting is supposed to be popular. The size of it. It's bigger than my head. Toy collecting is supposed to be popular amongst older guys. And people say you don't get judged for collecting He-Man and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Let's be honest, you do. you do get judged. Look at the size of it. But they brought out a new range of. Why is the top up for? They brought out a new range of Powerpuff Girl dolls, and she does look like a witch. I don't know why she just like a witch. She doesn't wear this in the original cartoons or the terrible remake. But yeah, I don't know whether it's people trying to recapture their childhood, but you do get judged for it.